In this topic, they are giving us common denominators, and we are going to factor this denominator. So because they're common, we can actually um, add the numerators. So we can't add fractions unless the denominators are common denominators. So what's cool about this is we're probably going to cancel a b plus 3. So I would write that in parentheses. Then we're going to factor this quadratic. So that numerator gives us kind of a hint that we might be using 3 as a factor. So since our denominator has 3 as a last number, we're looking for two numbers that multiply to give 3. The only two numbers are 3 and 1, and they need to add to 4, which those two do. So our b plus 3 is going to cancel. When we cancel everything in the numerator, it actually goes to 1. So our final answer is 1 divided by b plus 1. Now, we don't have to put that in parentheses. You can if you want. It doesn't matter in your final answer. Um, there we go, because it's not multiplied by anything. All right, we'll do another one. Also, please subscribe to my channel, like any videos that are helpful to you, and leave me comments on the videos that have been helpful to you. So we already know the denominator is the same, so let's go ahead and try to factor that. By the way, I don't want to forget those parentheses. Minus 2 is probably one of the factors. So we have a positive 10, and we want to multiply two numbers to get positive 10. So it's probably negative 2 and 5. That's not true because it has to add to negative 7. So it's going to be negative 5 and positive 2. So we're not going to be able to cancel anything. Let's put in our answer that way and see how it works. So again, we don't have to put the y minus 2 in parentheses, but we can. These two we do need to put in parentheses. And y plus 2. See if this works. Try again. Okay, so we subtract y minus 2. We need, oh, no, it's not 5 and 2. Because negative 5 and positive 2, when you add those are negative 3. Okay, let's try again, try again, try again. Okay, we could do this. Okay, so is minus 2 one of the answers? What about negative 2 and negative 5? Oh, dang, dang, dang. Okay, so negative 2 and negative 5. Yes, because they add to negative 7. Those two multiply to positive 10. Okay, there we go. So it's 1 over. I like when you get to see me make mistakes. I hope you don't mind watching those. Making mistakes is how we learn. There we go. So our final answer is 1 divided by y minus 5. There we go. All right, let's do another one. Oh, wait. Got to hit more practice first. Okay, so we're going to factor the first. Well, let's not factor yet. So let's add these together. So a squared, then we have negative 5a plus 7a gives me a 2a, and minus 15 all over a plus 5. So when we factor, we probably have an a plus 5 in here. Not sure, but let's look at this. We want a negative 15. Okay, so one's positive, one's negative. If we did a plus 5 and a minus 3, that would work. So 5 minus 3 gives me that 2. So these cancel. And my final answer is a minus 3. And we don't have to put that over 1 because anything divided by 1 is just that number. All right, we're going to do one more for kicks and giggles here. So this one's different. Okay, so we're going to do a squared minus 3a minus 10. Oh, we get to factor that too. And then we have a squared plus 4a plus 4. So two factors of 4 that add to 4 are 2 and 2. So we have a plus 2, a plus 2. In the numerator, we probably have an a plus 2, but let's just see. If we have a plus 2 and a negative 5, that'll give us a negative 3. There we go. So negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. Negative 5 times positive 2 is negative 10. Just double check our work here. And our answer is a minus 5. Since these are the only factors in the numerator and denominator, we don't need the parentheses. Again, you can put them in there, not a big deal. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.